So what Lucas has done, I'm actually not really sure. He's put one pair of pants on these hangers that you can clearly put 7 pants on. Hi, I'm Deanna Kleina, founder of West Coast Lifestyle Group, and we specialize in residential real estate on the West Coast. Now, I'm really excited to bring you amazing content on my channel, so thank you so much for joining us. Now, I hope you subscribe to our channel, like our page, and also share. Today, I'm very excited about our topic as we're going to be talking about organizing closets. And I have some beautiful guests here, Lucas and Nani. And thank you so much for joining me. I really love that you guys are here. This is going to be so much fun. So tell me a little bit about you. So you've been married for 5 years.
Yes.
And who takes most of the closet space?
She thinks all of it.
I don't know. Is that a surprise to anybody?
Normal, right?
It's not a surprise to anybody, right?
That is normal for all the women.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So do you think she's got too much clothes or just but she always looks fabulous, so it's okay.
I don't know why. She gets a lot of shoes and clothes. I don't know why. Women's always have to.
Being like that, but we need to look like pretty, right?
Yes.
Every day. So we have to decide which clothes to wear one day, like that is sunny day,
So I agree.
cold day. So
I
we
agree.
have to be prepared for every situation. So
Absolutely. I'm with you. So we're not only organizing the closet here, but we're also going to have a challenge with these guys. So the rules are there's going to be 5 steps. And they will have only 5 minutes for each one of these steps. And I will reveal each step only after the other one is done. So now the winner of this challenge is going to get something from the loser. Have you decided what that's going to be?
yes, I'm thinking I have some special dinner.
Special
Made
dinner.
it.
Oh.
So Lucas is going to cook a nice romantic dinner. Yes, okay. And what about yourself?
So, since you don't like when I play games,
Video games?
Yeah.
Okay.
so I want one day with no complaints about games.
What
Oh my
about she
God.
joins you?
Maybe, yeah, that would be nice.
No,
So
that is
you-
difficult, this
Yeah.
part, right?
Yeah.
So that means that you're going to play a video
God.
game
With
with
me,
Lucas.
yeah.
And what's your favorite game?
It's FIFA, it's soccer.
Fantastic. So you guys ready for
God.
this?
No, I'm not.
So who's gonna win?
but-
Who's gonna win? Who do you guys think is gonna win? Comment below. Just who do you think is gonna win? Because I have no idea. They're both really pumped about this. So either dinner or a full day of video games. This is gonna be amazing. All right, you guys. So you ready for this? Step 1 is to donate or sell clothes. So you're going to be separating all the clothing here in this big mess and what needs to go for donation and what needs to be sold and kept also, because the stuff that we keep is going to go in the closet. And you guys ready?
Yeah.
You got 5 minutes for this.
Oh my God.
You ready?
Do it.
Okay, set, go. I'm done. Yeah, that's amazing. All right. Woo, high five. Very nice. That's fantastic. Wow, and that was a big pile of clothes.
See? It's
Yes.
a totally mess, but that's okay.
Fantastic. Good job. All right. Well, this leads us to step 2. So we have here for selling and donating. And what did you do here? Selling and donating?
Yeah, selling and donating.
Selling and donating. Wonderful. So step number 2 is organizing and hanging pants. Are you two ready to hang some pants?
Yeah.
Ready,
Yeah.
set,
Yeah.
go. You're done? Okay, so it's a tie? Is this what we're saying?
Yes.
Okay. So, how many pants did you hang?
2.
2 pants. And what about you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All on one
Wow.
hanger. Look at that.
Allah.
Nice work, you guys. This is fantastic. So obviously, I think the point goes to Nani over here for 7 pants on one hanger. But look at this space saver. It's just really amazing. She's actually put all her pants on here, which is fabulous. Sorry, Lucas, I think I see a dinner for Nani here in her future. So step 3, I am sorry, Lucas, it's hanging up skirts. At least you know what they look like, right? Okay. So you guys ready for this? So it's going to be, again, hanging skirts the most effective way and putting them in the closet. All right? Ready?
Yes.
Set, and go. Okay, this explains a lot. Yes. On her side, there you go. Okay.
Okay, leave there.
No.
Awesome. Nani decided to use this hanger here, okay, which was a really, really good idea. Here, hold on to that. She's had the opportunity to put 3 skirts technically on one hanger. Amazing, right? And there's room for the 4th one here. So Lucas, less experienced in the skirt department, of course, what he has done, he's put a skirt on each hanger. I mean, it works, but it's not necessarily the best space saver, and they do tend to fall down, as we saw on this one. So Lucas, did you want to take one of these skirts and put them on this hanger here and see how we can minimize the clutter? All right.
Yeah, exactly.
Wasn't that great? That was very easy. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so now we're not only space saving, but it's a really practical way to hang up skirts. Step number 4, we are organizing and hanging shirts, all types of shirts. Now this is a 2-step process, so I'm just going to give you that hint to minimize the amount of space that you're using in your closet. Ready?
Yes.
Set, go. Okay, so talking about space savers, right? Good job, you guys. That was so quick. That was so quick.
Yeah.
It's warm, right? That was quick. Now you missed one there, but that was very, very, very good. So now, Lucas, how was that for you?
Easy.
So hangers, shirts, hangers, shirts, and you throw that in. Now, is that the best use of your space?
Yeah, I think so.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Nani, show us yours.
Excuse me.
Wow.
Look at this. So this little hanger is absolutely amazing because what it does, you hang your clothes and it reduces this much space. And then there you go. So you save, so you can keep all your clothes. There you go. You don't.
I can buy more clothes.
You can buy more.
Okay.
She's not using that much closet space. Why not? And also with Lucas, I found that you were hanging them this way and then this way. Now, when you're removing them, is that going to make it a little bit difficult?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, because they're facing the other way. But you're okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I
Fantastic.
already use it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have here. Why don't we try one of these for you and see how much space you're gonna save? So it'll have to be a little bit of the smaller hangers. There you go. But look at that, and and put that in there, and see how much space you've saved. Isn't that so? You can go shopping now. Get more stuff. Awesome. That was great, and that looks amazing. And it's such a great way to organize, keep everything nice and tidy. Step number 5, we're going to be hanging and organizing scarves, belts, and tank tops. Are you excited? Okay, ready,
Let's go.
set, and go.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yes.
Nani,
Yeah.
how did we do?
I did my best.
All right, wonderful, awesome. Well, let's see the damage. How did we do? So we have tank tops, scarves, and belts. Okay, so tank top, like any other shirt. And then we have the belts on this little tool here, okay. and scarves. Now I love this. This is really such a space saver. You can throw your scarves, belts maybe in here as well. Just such a great idea for closet space, and it's all vertical, so it's amazing. Love it. How did we do, Lucas?
I did my best, you see.
Repurpose. This is great. So we got a little bit creative here, as you can see. So, but it does the trick for sure. And I guess you could go like this, right? And save space. Very creative. Wonderful.
I don't know how you're gonna make this.
Not very efficient, but creative. Awesome. And then the tank tops. So another great way to hang tank tops is this right here. These little things. And you can hang multiple tank tops on that. Lucas, let me see your tank top. Let's take a look. How does that work? Whoops. And just put them right there. And let's get yours off there. And you freed up some hangers as well for your shirts or anything else. And there we go. Lucas, did you want to hang that up? Now that's a great tool, and it's so simple. So just when you think we're done, we have a bonus round for you too. So I know Nani here is in the lead, so I'm expecting a really romantic dinner, but let's see how we do on this one. So we're going to be hanging and organizing purses and shoes. And I know you're like, hanging shoes, like what's that about? Okay, but let's figure it out and see how you do. You guys ready?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Ready? And go! All right, very nice. Wow, you guys moved. Like this was really good. There was some fast moving. Okay, so now you've put them in this amazing sorter organizer, which is fantastic. So it's great for shoes. Now, do we see an issue here?
So the heels, I don't think that fit well here. So I don't think it looks like good.
Okay, so the nice thing about this is that we do have these hangers here, and these are fantastic for the door. Nani, why don't you give me a hand here? I'll grab this side. Oh, there we go. There you go. So you can quite literally, and behind Lucas there, the door is a little bit too high, but you can just hang it right there on the top of the door. And of course that frees up so much more space in your closet. Yeah, heels
And
are
then
nice.
it's top like this.
It's perfect. So we obviously have a winner. Nani, congratulations! Woo! So that means that Lucas is gonna cook a wonderful romantic dinner for you. Now usually I find that most of these closets are really hers and hers. So now Nani can still go shopping, minimize the space that she has in her closet, and Lucas will still have his space. Not maybe very much, but he'll still have some space. So thanks so much again for you guys for coming. I mean, it was so amazing to have you here. It was so much fun. And we will have a lot of links down below. So please look for links where you can sell, donate your clothing. Everything's going to be down there. Also, these two beautiful people have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share theirs as well. The link is below. And of course, thank you so much for coming. We really appreciate it. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much, and see you soon.
So this is what I made for my wife. Chicken, fries, rice,